In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on Windows 10 step by step. This is useful if your system language is different or you want to use Windows in another language. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. From the left side, select Language. Here, you'll see a section called Windows Display Language. This shows the language currently being used on your system. To add a new language, click on Add a Language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find the language you want. Click on it, then click Next. Make sure the option for Set as my Windows Display Language is checked, then click Install. Windows will now download and install the language pack. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you may be asked to sign out or restart your computer. Do that to apply the new language. After signing back in, Windows menus, settings, and system text will appear in the new language you selected. If you want to change only the keyboard language, scroll down to Preferred Languages, select a language, and click Options. From here, you can add or remove keyboard layouts as needed. You can also switch between keyboard languages quickly by pressing Windows key plus spacebar on your keyboard. If a language does not appear as a display option, make sure the full language pack is installed and supported on your Windows edition. And that's how you change the language on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.